In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds between bank accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you move money from one bank account to another and want your books to stay accurate, QuickBooks Online has a simple transfer feature built specifically for this. Using the transfer tool helps you record the movement correctly so it doesn't look like income or an expense. That's especially important when you're keeping your records clean and making sure your bank balances match what actually happened. To get started, log into your QuickBooks Online account and go to your main dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for the plus new button. In some versions, this may appear as plus create, but it serves the same purpose. Click that button to open the menu of actions you can create inside QuickBooks. From the menu that appears, find the other column and choose Transfer. This opens the transfer form, which is where you'll enter the details of the money movement between accounts. The form is straightforward, but it's still worth checking each field carefully so everything's recorded properly. First, go to the Transfer Funds from drop-down menu and select the account the money is coming out of. This should be the original bank account where the funds were withdrawn. Then move to the Transfer Funds to drop-down menu and choose the account receiving the money. Make sure these two accounts are correct before continuing, since reversing them would record the transaction the wrong way. Next, enter the exact amount in the Transfer Amount field. It's a good idea to match this to your actual bank transfer amount exactly, down to the cent if needed. After that, review the date field and change it if necessary so it matches the real transaction date from your bank records. Keeping the date accurate will help with reconciliation later and make your reports more reliable. If you want, you can also type a short note in the memo box. This part is optional, but it can be useful for adding context, like a brief explanation of why the transfer was made or what it relates to. Clear memos can save time later when you're reviewing transactions. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close if you're done, or Save and New if you need to enter another transfer right away. That's all it takes to transfer funds between bank accounts in QuickBooks Online. Before you finish, it's always smart to give the form one last review for account names, amount, and date. A quick check now can help prevent bookkeeping errors later. And that's how to record a bank transfer in QuickBooks Online.